Is it possible to get 4 makeup brushes under rupees 450 only? Well, the answer is yes. It is possible with Mass Cosmetics 4-in-1 travel makeup brush, and that is this. It has one foundation brush, one powder crumb multi-purpose brush, one concealer and one eyeshadow brush. And let's just use and see how well it performs, okay? Honestly, I'm way too much impressed with the foundation brush. Look at the finish, no brush strokes are visible. Then I'm using the powder brush to blend my concealer and I'm stunned with the finish, guys. It also applies the powder and blush so seamlessly and I just love the finish. Then I'm using the eyeshadow brush to blend my eyeshadows. It blends eyeshadows so perfectly and it also applies the glitter eyeshadows seamlessly. You guys can see that. I also applied my highlighter with the same and I just love how 4 of them works on the skin. I just love using them. To try it and to follow for more, and yeah, bye.